Not this waiting for me at my doorstep. Kayali, thank you. Guys, I am too excited for this latest release, okay, which is the Musk Freedom Collection. Yes. And look at these goodies. Look at these goodies. Like, Mona, y'all are good. Like, y'all are so good. Okay. Look at this. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Because we ain't done yet. All right. We got pens. We got some cute Kayali pens. All right. And it has the case that the pens can go in. All right. Because you know I'm disorganized. So this is great for me. Then, oh my gosh, look at this. A journal, y'all. A journal. A planner. We love it. Love to see it. Got some cute sayings on it. The calendar. I think it's at the this way. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Love it. Absolutely love it. And we also have in here once again, the Freedom Collection. So we have in here the special dates, the release date. And here we are. Here's those beautiful babies there. All right. Love it. Also, congrats to all the people who are on this campaign, especially my boo, Travalia. Woo! Congrats, y'all. Of course, it wouldn't be Kayali without some cute stickers. Freedom. What does freedom mean to you? And of course, the main attraction, the complete collection. All right. This darling here is your Freedom Musk. Can't wait to open her up. This one right here we have is the Freedom Musk Latte. Ooh. Right here we have Musk Bouquet. Okay, now. And here we have Musk Matcha. Y'all, I can't wait. Let's go. Child, I'm too rough around the edges with my hands and opening the box. But here we are. This is the Santal keynotes on the back. I'll read them off for you. Pink pepper, sweet freesia, soft lily, orange blossom, candied amber, musk Santal. Let's give her a whirl right now. Ooh. Oh, this is pretty. This is super pretty. This is super pretty. Like, if you're scared of pink pepper, don't be. Because to me, I don't get like a burst of that when I first spray, which is even though it's like the key first notes, top notes. But I love pink pepper. Like, I'm a pink pepper lover. Oh, y'all. Oh, I see, Mona. I see why. This is the main focus. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this is beautiful, y'all. This is beautiful. Yeah. Yep. Beautiful. Okay, so this one is the Freedom Musk Latte. All right. And the keynotes on this one is bergamot, pink pepper, Turkish rose, cafe latte, cedarwood, chocolate musk. Let's spray you over here. Three. Ooh, I smell it from here. Oh. Oh my God. So we are in a cafe shop. There's chocolate around. And you're just sipping on your latte. Okay, you're sipping on your latte. There's chocolate around. Oh, damn. Okay. All right. We're going to keep going. Because, yeah, we're going to keep going. Okay. So this next, darling, is the Freedom Bouquet, Musk Bouquet. The keynotes in this is solar jasmine, ylang ylang, Turkish rose, praline, sandalwood, and vanilla musk. I'm going to spray her up here. Let's see. Ooh. This is very pretty. This is out of the two, the softer one, I may say. This is definitely the softer one. I might even add, I have to admit, I'm not the biggest ylang ylang fan. Ylang ylang gives it a little bit of a like a little bit of a tropical feel. I even felt like I got like a little bubble gum at first too. But this is good. Like, this is pretty darn good. This is has to be like with ylang ylang. Like I said, I really don't rock with ylang ylang like that. But for it to be a note in a fragrance, this is pretty darn good. And I definitely see myself to spray this, like, for sure. So tap. And last but definitely not least, we have the Freedom Musk Matcha. The notes, keynotes, matcha, bergamot, oat milk, praline, sandalwood, sweet musk. I'm going to go right here for her. Let's see. Oh my gosh. 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 Little one, little one. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Listen, that's my cue. I got to hurry this up. Y'all. Ooh. This is a solid, 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 great. I said great collection. Mona, Kyra, the whole Kayali team. Yeah. Yeah. Like you see this size? We need these. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. In this size. We need them in this size. It's going to do well. It's fine. It's fine. We need these in this size. And I got to get backups because, well, Christmas is around the corner. Thank you so, so much, family, for sending this over my way. I love it. I love it. I definitely plan to use this journal. I definitely plan to use these pens too, honey. Okay, Kayali family through and through, period. But the Freedom Musk collection is a must-have. Put it on your wish list. Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, all of the above. Put it on them list, y'all. This is good. So take care. Thank you for rocking with me. Bye.